This is the Palestinian protein juggernaut that packs 34 grams of protein for each of these pots. Recently, I've been scrolling on Instagram and all I've been seeing is cottage cheese recipe. Cottage cheese bread, add cottage cheese, it's getting repetitive. And don't even get me started on the recipes that says, oh yeah, it's high protein, bro, but you just need to add 2 scoops of protein. Get the hell out of here. This mixture of heaven of bread and meat mixed together will satisfy your taste bud and supports your game. And the best thing is, this thing takes less than 30 minutes to make. So let's get started, shall we?
First of all, get yourself a medium-sized onion, get all the brown shit out. You're gonna get yourself a bowl and a grater. Get this shit real nice and thin. Oh my god, it's getting to my eye. Today is the day I overcome you. Oh my god. Who's gonna carry the rice and the puppies? After you're done with that, set that to the side. Grab a handful of both parsley and coriander. The amount doesn't really matter, you know, it's enough to feed the soul. Chop it real nice and thin. Put this in a bowl. Grab yourself even a bigger bowl. Get yourself a cloth. Put our onions in, our herbs in, half of this. Drain all of the moisture from the onions and the greens so that when we cook the dish, bread no soggy. Forearm palm. Oh, no. Okay, that's enough. Put the stuff you just squeeze back into the bowl. Now we're getting to the spicy stuff. We got the protein. I'm going to put 500 grams of beef in here, or lamb if you want, but I'm doing beef. Into the meat mix, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of mixed spice. So I'm using this Habibi version. Just look for the ones that type coriander, cinnamon, nutmeg, cumin, allspice. Traditionally, this dish would have used a fattier meat. But since we're pushing for better macros, I'm reducing the fat content on this bad boy a bit, since we can't do both. You know, it's either high carb or high fat. Doing both, not good. And that's how a lot of people get midday crashes and sleepy, because the combo of both is like heavier for our digestion. Meat is nice and mixed. Let's get to the fun stuff. Stuffing this baby into the bread. Here I got myself some pita bread. By the way, I'm using this wholemeal one, so the ingredient is pretty damn clean. Slice this in half and start stuffing our meat in. Looking nice and juicy. This dish was originated from the Levant area. Culturally, it's Palestine. So it's for Habibi people, but in Arabic, arayes means bride. Like it literally means bride, because the meat is married with the bread, so it's like mwah. So if you cook this for your Habibi crush, or even more specific, you got a Habibi gym crush, bro, this is going to be how I met your mom kind of dish, you know? Look at this monster. You guys didn't see shit. Okay, check this out, yeah? If you're from that Middle Eastern area, this dish would like literally enhance you, because you're eating from your cultural roots. So basically you're eating the foods that have been running through your ancestors' vein for centuries. I truly believe in eating your culture's food like enhances not only your gym progress, but also your identity, because now you're like, my people. You guys, especially the Middle Eastern European area, you guys handle gluten a lot better than us Asians, because you just have better adaptation. So like, check this out. If I put 1 Habibi guy and 1 Asian farmer guy, like of course I'm going to have better rice adaptation, but you guys have better gluten digesting system. Did I also mention that this video is sponsored by Kalei? Kalei is a, no. You guys saw all of these people on Instagram Reels and TikTok, and now another one. I'm not torturing you guys like that. I do have a cookbook though. If you guys like my recipes and what I'm cooking up, check it out. Let's cook these baby up. Get yourself a cast iron pan. No non-stick pan in this area. I'm gonna grab some lamb tallow over here and put it in the pan. Oh yeah, just so you know, we're also preheating the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Pan getting nice and hot. Get in there, baby girl. It's been 1 to 2 minutes. Let's check. Oh, This is just fucking stunning. Flip it over to one side, like this. Pop, 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 pop. Low heat. Okay, before sending these bad boy into the oven, we're gonna tap them with a bit of olive oil on top, just to get that crispiness. Yeah, send these bad boy into the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While that is cooking, oh, hot, we're going to make a sauce to go with it. Take 100 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt, combining with some greens we've cut before, a little bit of salt for that taste, a touch of cumin powder because I like it, cucumber, squeeze the juice out, then add it back to our yogurt mixture. A squeeze of lime to freshen everything up. Oh. Gotta make it look aesthetic, you know what I mean? A drizzle of olive oil to make it look stunning, and a dash of black pepper. Yes! Our meat is probably finished too. Let's pull this baby out. Woo, woo. No! Yeah. Oh. Ew. Hold on, let me turn on the light for you guys to see. Woohoo! Oh my god, the sky is just looking that amber glow and it's hitting. Oh, dude, I'm telling you, shit doesn't get better than this, bro. This is just. Dude, it's getting so dark. I should have filmed much sooner. Man, I have a time management issue. But the visual doesn't matter. I mean, yes, it kind of does, but it's the core of the dish that's matter. I hope you guys can see how magnificent this shit is, even though it's like potato quality. My mouth is dancing in joy, bro. The meat is just juicy. You can taste the aromatics, the herbs, the spices, the onion. It hits all the right places. The bread soaks up the lamb tallow, so it has that crispy edges on the outside, but also a bit fluffy and moist. But we also got a yogurt sauce. That's fucking ridiculous. Look, even though it's dog shit quality, you can still see the steam coming up, bro. Anyway, subscribe. If not, what are you doing, bro? I'm the best at this thing, bro. I'm telling you. And as I said, yeah, check out my recipe. I got a ton of them. Update as long as I'm alive.